Why is umami important?
Umami is important so it doesn't make your dish suck.
Singapore is one of the best places in the world to eat out. It's a food lover's paradise. But that doesn't mean it can't become even better. We're 4 chefs on a mission to create food that's great on taste and just as good for your body.
So dirty my board, but I just wipe it.
Taking over kitchens to make classic Singapore dishes healthier.
Oh my god, it's working.
It's a kitchen invasion.
May the Siu Tai froth be with you.
Shen, my favorite adversary. Today we're headed to Old Airport Road Hawker Centre.
I love that place, man. It's one of the oldest hawker centers in Singapore, and it's got great food there.
The only question for us today is who to invade.
Let's go.
Hello, can we invade your kitchen? Can we come in and try and bake some of your bread?
Oh.
Can we come in and cook with you? No one really wants to let us in, but there is one particular store that I have a hankering for. I want to go and visit them.
Which one is that?
It's called Salt. It's over there. Shall we check it out?
Come on, let's do
Let's
that.
go, let's go, let's go.
Hi. Hi.
My name is Chef Ming.
I'm Chef Shen.
Your name is?
My name is Naomi.
Can we invade your kitchen?
Invade my kitchen.
Invade your kitchen.
invade.
And why?
And the two of us are on a mission. We're gonna offer you something that we think is too good for you to refuse. You get to choose one dish that you want us to remake with a healthier twist. All you need to do is let us come into your kitchen and work out magic.
Oh, okay, sure, no problem.
What would that dish be?
I will take the fried fish and fried rice option.
Okay.
Before we get into this, all right, we need to try the dish to understand why it's so special.
All right.
Ken?
Sure. In my fried rice, there is a little bit of long beans together with the pickled beet radish to cater to our Asian palates.
We're gonna try Naomi's food.
I'm picking up like the wok hei there.
The salmon. The outside is crusty and crunchy. I'm liking this dish a lot. To give a healthier spin to this dish, I think we need our nutritionist to give us some pointers. Victoria, we got our dish here.
I have some ingredients to inspire you today. I have white fish fillet. So I have red rice here and brown rice. Now, these are both whole grain rice. It has a lot more fiber, vitamins, and minerals that hasn't been stripped away. I also have cauliflower here. It's a great carb substitute. I hope that these will be helpful for you guys in creating your new dish. It's not only your egos at stake here, you also have to impress Naomi with your dishes. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Remember, the most important thing at stake, you're competing for the golden spoon. You'll only have 30 minutes to cook your fish fried rice. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
So I didn't want to reveal too much just now, but we're gonna make a brown rice burger. Instead of using just a straight fish patty with the salmon, I'm gonna try and bulk it up a little bit with cauliflower. Takes on a nice texture. There's a little bit of crunch. It doesn't fall apart like other vegetables. Shen, what are you making today?
I'm going to be doing fried rice. Keeping to the spirit of the dish, I'm actually swapping out the white rice and replacing 2/3 of it with red rice. So you're going to get lots more fiber, you're going to get lots more flavor and textures.
That sounds like quite a mouthful. It's gonna be a fair amount of fiber in the dish, huh?
That's got a lot
Good
of
for
fiber.
roughage. Fiber is good so that you... The fiber is good for you, very good for you, very beneficial. Are you gonna add a vegetable component to that dish, Shen?
Yes, I'm adding the cabbage as well as frozen vegetables. And I'm going to char it so that you're going to get that crunch.
Careful not to burn the cabbage.
There won't be burning unless you're an in-app cook.
order to get a bit more flavor into the fish patty, I'm going to be using lime leaf and garlic. I think these two pair very well together.
Yep.
The more aromatics you use, I generally find the less seasoning you need to put in.
Yes.
And I think that's something that also turns a wholesome dish into something that's slightly too over-seasoned, a bit too much salt. But if you have aromatics there, I think the flavors can balance out quite well.
I'm using aromatics as well for the rice, use as the base.
You're copying me, lah.
No, I'm not
I use
copying
and then
you.
you use.
So everybody who fry rice is copying you.
Tell me more about the marinade you got in there.
Yeah, so I have miso, and then we have the honey in there to add the sweetness. We always must be aware that we don't use too much honey. You have to have it in moderation.
So we've already cooked the rice with a little bit more water than is necessary. What this does is it binds the brown rice a little bit more. And they will form the top and bottom of my burger. Where are you off to, Shen?
Frying my rice. Towering the cabbage as well as the frozen vegetables. You can always do the chefy thing. Red rice, to me, it's got a toastier, more delicious flavor than just ordinary white rice.
How do you think your rice is going to impress Naomi today?
Because it's actually going to be fried rice.
Why I love salmon, such a versatile fish to use. Salmon is a great protein full of omega-3 oils. I'm going to cut that into small little bits that will form the basis of my fish patty. I'm quite confident my dish will come out tops. Think you have space for me in there?
Yep. There is
Okay,
space.
even if she doesn't have space, I'm still going in also. Siama, siama.
Siama.
Sorry, crossing
Alright.
lines there. Wow, so colorful. Nice. Red rice, all the vegetables inside. And then your egg going in also.
What do you think so far?
I'm really excited because they're using a different kind of rice. I'm really waiting as well to see what kind of texture it will bring. I hope it gives you the flavor in the
Well, I
rice.
hope so too. While still being healthy.
I think one of the things that people often overlook is the type of oil used as you cook. We are looking to reduce your saturated fat. So today we're both using olive oil. Oyo, salmon in my fish pate. I will use a little bit of breadcrumbs just to give it some body, but most of the body will come from the cauliflower. When you cut cauliflower up into little bits, right? It binds very nicely inside the patty. It's going to taste fantastic.
What I'm going to do is actually going to pan-sear the fish instead of deep frying it. Also, it's really important not to flip the fish until it's ready. Okay, it's nice and brown. The fish skin is actually curling up, so you can use this nifty device. So the fish is done, and it's nice and juicy. Fantastic.
Shen, what are you up to?
I'm plating up my dish.
You're plating up your dish already. May I please
Yes,
invade
please come in.
now? Thank
Yes,
you.
please
Okay,
come in.
Coming
Please
in.
invade.
I'm sorry, back's behind you.
A little bit of spring onions for the aromatics. Right. And then you have the fish.
Okay, fair warning, it is screws up. We have to redo it. Right, flipping my fish patties now. 1, 2, 3. So. Oh, look at the color. Ayo. Can you hear that nice crisp crust going? Exactly what I was looking for. Always good to have a little bit more fiber and cabbage at the end of your meal.
I think that's lettuce, no?
Lettuce.
Not sure if you
Sorry, not cabbage.
Realize that.
Ayo, NG, I say that. Boom, I'm done.
Finally,
Hey, good things take time, and this is the best thing ever. I believe this is going to be the winning dish.
I know I'm gonna win because my fried rice is awesome. Not like your burger. Let's go.
Let's go and get it tested, okay?
Okay, the moment of truth is here. Naomi is ready to taste the dishes. Shen, why don't you tell us a bit about your dish?
So my dish is a fried red rice with a white fish, miso and honey fillet.
And you, Ming, why don't you tell us a bit about your dish?
This is a brown rice burger with a protein-packed salmon and cauliflower patty.
Okay, let's dig in. That's a good sign.
It's really flavorful. It's really nice.
All right, now let's dig into Ming's burger.
Oh, it's really very nice. And how you incorporate the cauliflower doesn't make me feel like I'm eating vegetables as well.
All right, Naomi, what's it gonna be?
I would love the burger. I really love the burger so much.
Yes.
It's so well balanced. It has all the vegetables, the fish, and
Sorry,
the
Chef.
rice. But I'll choose the fried rice for my customers. It has all the vegetables that a well-balanced diet needs, and furthermore, the uncle and the aunties will prefer
because I'm
this.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Well, congratulations, Shen. You also get, drum roll, guys, drum roll, the golden spoon!
Golden spoon, give it to me!
Presenting the golden spoon to our winner, Chef Shen Tan.
See, they be moaning about the hard times, don't wanna do the work, but the work is where the hard times meet the good that goes berserk. And while you're stressing out and being all depressing, I'll be learning lessons, writing, working hard and fighting every chance I'm getting. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song, know how to put in the work.